Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another motivational clean with me. I hope you're all well. In today's video we're going to be doing a speed clean of the upstairs of my house. It really did need it and I had a load of laundry to do in this video as well, and saw through all of the baby's clothes to see what fitted them and what didn't fit them, ready for the new clothes at Christmas time. But the first thing that I'm going to start off by doing is making my bed. Honestly, making my bed every single morning, even if it's one of those days that I don't feel like doing anything, if my bed is made I know I'm just going to have a good day. And I know that sounds really silly, but honestly try it. If you don't make your bed every single morning, just try it and give it a go, because honestly it'll make you feel so much better as well. But I also did want to say to you guys as well, I'm sorry I haven't been posting as much as what I would normally do. There's been so much going on the last couple of days. Wales has been put back into a lockdown, which is hopefully ending on the 9th of November. So we've had Halloween in lockdown, bonfire night is also going to be in lockdown, everything. So it's been a little bit hectic with everything that's going on. So I just haven't really had the opportunity to film, but I'm back on my schedule now. And I know I said that the last video, but I actually am this time. I've got a bunch of videos planned for you guys. I've got a Christmas clean and decorate with me, which I'm so excited for. So if you haven't subscribed already and you love Christmas videos around this time, honestly subscribe to my channel, because I've got so many Christmas videos coming, and I'm also doing Vlogmas as well, which I am so excited for. So yeah, if those are videos that you like to watch and are interested in, definitely subscribe to my channel so you don't miss those videos. And now that the bed is done, I'm going to go ahead and go in with some Febreze. I've found this new Febreze. It is a Christmas scent one, but oh my goodness, it smells so good. I cannot wait to do a clean with me using all Christmas scented products, and that is also going to be another video just to give you guys a little sneak peek in what videos I've got coming very soon for you guys. But once I'd finished doing that, I went ahead and wiped over the surfaces using my all-in-one disinfectant spray by Fabulosa, and this is in the woodland pine, I believe, or pine scent. I can't remember the exact scent of this, but it is definitely a Christmas scent. Sorry if you can hear my daughter in the background as well, guys. I've got her upstairs with me while I'm filming this voiceover, and she's having a little play and making some noises while she does. So then I went ahead and moved everything off my chest of drawers and gave that a wipe over as well.
Break down all your memories, feel the things you wanna feel, yeah. In the empty bottle lights on the answer. Oh, watch me dancing in the colors, lightning, blowing up a thunder, wash it over me. We got everything we need, right? Watch me dancing in the colors, lightning, blowing up a thunder, wash it over me, yeah. We got everything we need right here.
Moving on to my desk. Honestly, this desk gets so much things piled on top of it. It gets messy so quickly, and it's mainly my makeup all over it, but today wasn't actually as bad as what it normally is, so it was pretty easy to clean today. So I just went ahead and put all my makeup back, moved everything off, and just gave it a quick wipe over with the same disinfectant spray that I've been using to wipe all the surfaces with.
Wake up at your place, wake up at mine. Same question always. I'm getting tired. We could have breakfast, counting your freckles, close to the west coast. How about that? Why don't we just get a place together? Mornings in our own bed, so much better. Balconies and bathtubs.
Alright, now I'm going to go ahead and hoover the floor now that everything is clean. I'm also going to spray some 1001 over the floor as well once I finish hoovering. And I'm using the one that always comes around at Christmas time. I think it's the frosted berries or mixed berry scent for the 1001. Honestly, it smells amazing. So if you haven't tried it, definitely try that.
We just get a place together.
I'm also going to go ahead and hoover my bed frame. I absolutely love my bed so much. It's probably my favourite purchase. But it definitely does collect a lot of dust and pet hairs in these little holes all the way around the bed. So it is amazing. It is a stunning bed, but it does take quite a lot of maintenance just to make sure that it stays nice and clean and looks new basically. But I do absolutely love it so much. And then that is pretty much everything done in this room. I'm quickly going to go ahead and spray some Febreze all around the room so it smells absolutely amazing in here. And that is the bedroom all nice and clean. I absolutely love my bedroom when it's all nice and clean. It just looks very cozy and comfy and it's very me. But now moving in to the baby's room. So the baby's room isn't as bad as what it normally is, but as you can see, I've got another massive load of laundry. I'm pretty sure every time I film a video you guys see a massive load of laundry that I've got to fold and sort out. But the first thing that I'm going to do in here is sort out all of their toys. So I'm just going to clear all the toys off the floor and put them back where they belong. Then I'm going to go ahead and make Nirvana's cot. If you don't know who Nirvana is, she is my daughter. She is my youngest child and she is 1.5. Well, she's almost 1.5. And they share a bedroom. So this is Carter's bed. You can't even see Carter's bed right now. He does sleep in with us at the moment. We are in the middle of moving him into his room. And I'm pretty sure I've said this in so many videos, but it's really hard because he's gotten quite used to sleeping with us. So if you guys have any tips on how to get him back and staying in his own room, that would be great. But I'm going to go ahead and move all of these clothes and sort them into different piles. So here there's a mix of Nirvana's, Carter's, mine and Albert's clothes. So I need to sort through these and then I'm going to go ahead and fold them and hang them up. Alright, now that all the clothes have been sorted into their own piles, I'm going to go ahead and start with this one. And this is just Carter and Nirvana's clothes that need to be hung up. I've also sorted them into a couple of different piles as well. So I've got their pyjamas, their trousers and bottoms in another pile. And I've also got their socks and like Carter's pants and underwear and everything like that in another pile to sort out. I've moved mine and Al's clothes into our bedroom to sort out later on. So I'm just going to be focusing on their clothes for now. That's one pile down, another 2 to go after this one. So this one is their bottoms. So all of Carla's joggers, jeans, Nirvana's leggings and jeans in this pile. I'm going to sort them all out, fold them, and then these are going to go into their drawers. Now on to their pyjamas. They have so many pyjamas. This is their pyjamas and their vests in this pile. I wanted to sort through this big pile because there was a couple of pyjamas I wanted to get rid of that just were a little bit too small for Carter now. So I wanted to get rid of them because I just recently bought them both new pajamas. I bought them I think it was 6 sets each, or like 8 sets each, I can't remember. But they've got a bunch of new pajamas now ready for the winter, so I just wanted to get rid of the ones that don't really fit them anymore, or that are too cold for them to wear at the moment. So yeah, I'm going to sort through this pile, and then I'm going to move on to the socks and underwear pile.
You if we dance in the blizzard, we are not getting cold. So keep on dancing, baby. 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 You if we dance in the blizzard, we are not getting cold. So keep on dancing, baby. Dance, 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 yeah. Dance, yeah. Baby. Dance, 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 yeah. Dance, yeah. Baby. You if we dance in the blizzard, we are not getting cold. So keep on dancing, baby. Dance, 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 oh, dance, yeah. Baby. Dance, 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 yeah. Baby.
Does anybody else end up with a bunch of odd socks at the end of their wash load? This is all odd socks, no pairs at all to them. I don't know what it is, but every time I do a load of washing, I always end up with a bunch of random odd socks, and I cannot find the pairs to them. I think my washing machine eats them, to be honest with you guys. I don't know what happens to them. But anyway, moving on, I'm going to start making Callum's bed now that you can actually see it and it's not piled high with washing. I'm not also going to change his sheets because they're already still clean from the last time that I changed them, because he doesn't sleep in his bed. Like I said, he is still in with us at the moment, but I'm going to make his bed and then put his teddies back on, and then I'm going to go ahead and hoover the floor.
thrill of it. I just wanna get the hang of this, and I know there is no cure. Drowning out deep. I'm just in it for just the highlight, drift and the highlight.
Then to finish their room off, I'm going to spray some 1001 over the floor and spray some Febreze around the room to make it smell all nice and fresh. And that is the end of this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in the next one. And if you haven't subscribed already, I would love you to consider subscribing. Bye, guys.